Hey everyone, and welcome to Must or Bust. This is the new KitKat Duos Mocha and Chocolate. It's basically a KitKat with mocha cream and coffee bits and, of course, chocolate. Oh yeah, let's see if this is a must or a bust.
Must or bust.
Alright everyone, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and let me know if you've tried this as well in the comments below. Here we go. Okay, here you go. You ready to see this? This is definitely Duos. Look at that! You got your mocha cream chocolate on the top, and then you got your regular chocolate on the bottom, Duos. So we found this actually at Walgreens for about $1 or so, something like that. So if you guys want some, make sure you get out there and say, Mom, I need some. Just get it. Whoa, immediately, it smells like a mocha cream, and creamer and coffee, and it's got a very sweet smell. It's got a coffee smell. I like that a lot. I was trying to find, look, I already got chocolate on my hand. I was trying to find out if I could find the caffeine amount, but I couldn't find it anywhere online. So if you guys know if there's caffeine in this, let me know, but I'm assuming with some coffee, there will be a little bit of caffeine, and even cocoa has a little caffeine. It's melting in my hand. I gotta jump in. Here we go. Wow. I don't want to get too excited about that, but that might be one of the best candy bars I have tasted in eons, y'all. The blend of chocolate with the cream and then the coffee flavor is a lot stronger than I thought it would be. Do you remember a few years ago, Oreo came out with Dunkin' Oreos, and it had that coffee flavor with the chocolate, and it was a nice blend of cream, chocolate, and Oreo. It was a nice blend. That reminds me of it, but better. Much better. I don't even want to get that excited about this because it is just a candy bar after all, but oh my gosh! That is so good. I totally recommend trying out this candy bar. And I'm showing it to you up close on the screen, the 3 instead of the 4 fingers there. But wow, that is so good. I don't have to tell you that that is a must. Hands down, you must get out and buy this. Go to Walgreens, search for it. As I'm talking to you now, it almost feels like I just took a sip of some rich, creamy mocha coffee. And the thing about that, it's really crunchy. It's got the coffee bits on the inside, as you can see in the close-up. But then it's also just got a really good flavor. It's not sweet. Like, there's 19 grams of sugar in the entire bar. So that one I ate we're gonna say about 4.5 grams of sugar, 4.3 grams of sugar in that one finger. And oh my gosh, it tastes so good. It's not too sweet at all. That's what I like. As you get older like me, you don't want as much sweet. Wow. All right, that's all I got for that. That's just so good. I know other people have tried that. I haven't watched any other reviews of it, but that was so good. All right, guys, that's all for me on this one. If you don't already, make sure you subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. May the forks be with you. May his presence be with you always. The bow on the show, because that's a wrap. Merry Christmas. Show stop.